Alright, well this is why the road is out, so otherwise we'd be able to drive down a little bit farther, but at least we see the river that will be attached to the waterfall that we're finding. So we have to do this again by... All of this is an adventure when the road is washed out.
Trying to find the waterfall in the middle of the forest. There's a few spiky, pokey things, but mostly it's alright. We'll see where it goes.
Okay, so we tried to go through the forest, but it was really dense and we don't have any tools really to hack the forest. So we've decided to go into the river and walk it. It's nice and calm. Thankfully it hasn't rained in a long time, so it's fairly safe and it's beautiful water. It's just kind of funny to have to actually be walking through the river. The sand is really soft on the feet. There's little like guppy things swimming around down here. I'm using this as my makeshift umbrella. And I saw this beautiful plant. It looks like a wild hibiscus. I've never seen them growing in the wild before. They're beautiful. They're not open, but has the same little shape and similar leaves as a regular hibiscus. It's really cool. Well, here we are in the river, making our way up it. It's getting more and more beautiful, but it's also a lot more challenging. This would be probably at an advanced or expert level of finding a waterfall, but we're having a lot of fun. There are a lot of wild plants out here that have been cultivated or eventually cultivated, such as the wild bromelia there. There's some I don't think these are coconut palms. I think these are wild palms. I'm not sure what the variety is. We found this clump of Caribbean native heliconias, which you don't usually see growing in the wild, so it's really cool. And then down here you can see the fern palms that only grow up in the higher altitudes. It's really beautiful to see some of these plants growing just wild out here. So we arrived at El Zafiro! This is the big one. This is a really hard one to find. It's like off a super beaten path road. Actually no path at all. It's in the river. We had to walk all the way through the river to get here. But it is just amazing. It's the end of the line. And I can't wait to jump in the water. Okay, well, we are coming out of El Saltillo and we saw this trail. It's a really steep trail, but it might actually be easier than walking through that river because it's so rocky and slow. But it's super steep and a lot of spider webs. Let's see, hopefully we get out of here. Alright, so we're coming out from the waterfall and I noticed this carrasco plant. This is the Puerto Rican poison ivy. It will make you welt up with pussing blisters if you touch it. It looks just like a holly plant, but those little spikes are really, really nasty stuff. So as we're coming back, we went the back way from El Saltillo, and I got really itchy from a lot of the plants out there, so I came up on this one and I thought I'd stop in too. It's not very deep, but it's a perfect little dipping pool in nature. Whew. Okay, so we made it through. That's quite the hike. I'm not sure which is better to go to El Saltillo. The river is really difficult to traverse and you have to get really wet right away, but going through the jungle you have to kind of walk and watch out for thorny plants and stickers and other things. So both are, then walking in the trail you go a little faster, but it's a little bit harder, and so I don't know, we did both. Alright, well we just finished with our adventure to El Saltillo, and right off the road coming back is this cute little bar with the most beautiful view. It's called Manhattan Cafe. It's kind of funny, but because we're way out in the jungle, kind of in the forest, and we're in Manhattan. But it's nice to just relax. It's great that there's a place right here after you go and expend so much energy. They have food and drinks.